My name is Arun Sardeshmukh. I am the co-founder and CEO of Fashionara.com. We launched our business 2.5 years back. Fashion has always been an exciting field, and I felt e-commerce would be a exciting, wonderful new opportunity for me to pursue. We want to stand for being a fashion-forward business. So if you look at the way the site is designed, if you look at the visual content on the site, we invested early on in that experience. We were the first business to launch a video catalog because we felt women shop for product a little differently. So if you're buying something which is a little bit more fashionable like a dress, not just still images, can I show you how it flows, how the hemline is, how the neckline is? How do we get everybody in our business to look at what a consumer might experience, mobile first, and then look at desktop? So now when we sit in our conference rooms and we're talking about banners, the earlier way was, this banner looks wonderful, beautiful, creative, let's see how this might work on a mobile. Now the other way around, when we sit down, we say, show me that banner on the mobile first. We've been associated with Junglee, I think, almost at the start. You might be doing wonderful things on your site from a visual aspect, from carrying lots of interesting product, but an online business needs visibility. People are coming in for different purposes, but they don't know you exist. So if Junglee were to go out and aggregate that visibility and have people come on to Junglee and they see our product lines as part of that experience, we always felt, and we're very sure that that would be a wonderful way to create an alliance which is more affiliate, which would bring in people then onto our site. We value a lot about the way we showcase our products on Junglee. We've seen, as we've expanded our catalog, products that we are offering, our association with Junglee has grown. I was just looking at numbers, and we've sort of moved our business more than 100% over the last year or so. That's happening on account of what you're doing at Junglee, what we're doing from a catalog point of view. For example, business tends to perk up. We get a lot more business when we showcase our products on your homepage. We are on a roller coaster, or should I say on a upward sort of swing on business. We would think that we should grow 5-10 times what we are currently in the next 2 years. So we are super excited.